Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce again myself. Hello, my name is Saman Farisiam Darman Sukirno. Just call me Saman. I want to demo about the brick breaker and explain what is how to play brick breaker and explain the coding the codingan. Jadi saya hari ini bakal mendemo brick breaker. Okay, now we will go start. Uh, we in Paddle Sprite. When green flag click, it will show and switch backdrop to blue sky 2. Go to x0 and y min 160. Forever set x to mouse x. Jadi maksudnya itu ketika pedalnya itu ketika dimulai, dia bakal menunjukkan pedalnya dirinya bakal pergi dulu ke blue sky 2 dan bakal go to x 0 horizontal 0 dan ketinggian min 160 dan forever set x to mouse x selamanya dia itu berpindah tempat. Kita atur pakai kursor kita seperti ini. And when I receive you win height, when I receive you lose height. Ketika saya menerima kemenangan height, ketika saya menerima kekalahan height. Okay, now we go to the ball. When green flag click, set score to 0. Go to x 0 and y min 90 means 90. Point in direction pick random min 90 to 90 show. Forever moves 10 steps. If on edge bounce, if touching pedal, then he will point in direction pick random min 90 to 90. If score 9, if score less than 9, if score sama dengan 9, he will switch backdrop to party and broadcast you win. And if touching sprite 1, he will switch backdrop to like and broadcast you lose. Jadi maksudnya itu ketika dimulai untuk sprite ball ini, dia bakal atur skornya 0 dan pergi ke x horizontalnya 0 dan ketinggian y min 90. Point in direction random min 90 to 90. Jadi bakal atur rotasi acak dari min 90 ke 90. So dia menunjukkan forever selamanya dia bakal maju 10 langkah. Ketika mengenai batas dia bakal mantul. If touching pedal, ketika menyentuh pedalnya dia bakal point in direction, dia bakal atur rotasi lagi random dari min 90 ke 90. Dan ketika skornya 9, dia bakal pindah ke backdrop party and siarkan kamu menang, broadcast you win. Ketika menyentuh spread 1, spread satunya ini saya taruh di sini, nggak kelihatan. Ketika menyentuh spread 1 bolanya, dia bakal pindah ke backdrop like. Backdrop like sama party itu beda. Jadi ini. Nah, kalau backdrop party itu arti ini kemenangan saya aturnya. Kalau backdrop like ini kekalahan. Jadi broadcast lulus. And when I receive bounce, pick random point in direction pick random min 90 to 90, min 90 to 90 and show. Jadi ketika saya menerima ini mantul, point in direction pick random min 90 to 90, saya bakal jadi dia bolanya bakal rotasi ke garis min 90 ke 90 dan tunjukkan when I receive you in height stop all ketika and when I receive you lose height. Ini when I receive you win height, and when I receive you lose height. Jadi seperti ini. Dan when green flag click, set size to 80% and go to X min 162 Y 155. Show forever if touching ball, then broadcast bounce. Repeat 10. Change mosaic effect by 10, size by 5. If touching ball, then broadcast bounce, change score by 1 height. Jadi ketika benderanya dipencet, dia bakal muncul di horizontal min 162 dan tinggal 155. Tunjukkan linknya forever. Ketika menyentuh bola, dia bakal bounce. Ketika dan dia bakal mengulangi 10 kali. Ubah mosaic effect by 10 dan change size effect dan berubah sebesar 5 min 5. Ketika menyentuh bola dia bakal bounce juga. Jadi seperti ini. If the ball touching the edge, he will bounce, ya. You can see. But if the ball touching the brick, he will bounce too, and the brick hide or will get deleted like this. And there are many effects, and there are many brick. The brick spread 9. There was 9. Okay, 9. And itu like this. Codingannya seperti ini, and brick 3 codingan seperti ini. And spread 1, spread 1. Wait, let me. Spread 1 wait. This is spread 1. I put over there for biar pemainnya itu gak bisa lihat. Jadi ketika dia menyentuh when the ball touching this spread, he will get game over. Jadi ketika bolanya menyentuh spread 1 ini, dia bakal game over. Oke. Jadi when green flag click, show stop all. When I receive you lose height. Jadi like that. Okay. And that is so many. Jadi banyak codingan like this. Ya. I want to play. Just like this, ya. If score 9, he will broadcast you win. Sorry, my English not properly. Bahasa Inggris saya tidak terlalu lancar. Ya. Sorry. There are wait. I forgot. Yeah, like that. Wait. But if the ball touching spread 1, like this. Wait. I will let the ball will touching the edge. Like this, game over. Okay, let me win it. Okay, okay, guys. I think the game, yeah, like that lah. Okay, thank you ya guys. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.